Math Lesson 116. You'll start today with the number of the day, counting by evens, threes, fours, and fives. Number of the day looks like this. Here's your counting sheet. Did you notice that when you count by evens, you are doing multiplying by 2? You will see in your lesson today that when you count by threes, fours, and fives, you are also learning to multiply by 5. You will also do your flashcards times 2s and this class fact practice sheet of the times 2s. Stop the video to work on that much. You need to look at your lesson that starts right here with the new concept. We're going to act out and draw pictures for equal group stories. You need to have a collection of pennies or other coins, some cards, either 3x5 cards like this, or sticky tabs. You could even use playing cards because you're just laying things on them. You're not drawing on them at all. Stop the video to get those things if you need them. And we'll begin reading right here. Have a good imagination ready? Take 5 cards and put them in front of you. And let's pretend these are 5 cars. How many wheels does the car have? 4. Use your pennies to show the wheels. If I was going to do this with my cards, it might look something like this. Can't get it small enough to fit it all in there. But I have 5 cards laid out with 4 pennies for each wheel. If I was going to draw it on this sheet, it would probably look something like this. Here's my 5 cars. I drew 4 wheels on each one. I have 5 groups of 4 wheels. Now, if you remember how to count by 4s, we can figure out how many wheels that is. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 5 times 4 is 20 wheels. 5 times 4 wheels equals 20 wheels. The next one in your new concept part of the lesson asks you to think about having 3 shirts with 5 buttons on each shirt. If I was going to act that out, it would probably look something like this. I have pink shirts, and they each have 5 buttons on them. If I was going to draw it, it would look something like this. 3 groups of 5 buttons is, let's count, 5, 10, 15. 15 buttons. 3 times 5 equals 15. Now you can go through your lesson worksheet and read the rest of the stories and draw them. And there is a page right here that would show you what it should look like when you finish drawing correctly, and how to fill in the rest of it too. Then the last thing to do in the lesson today is the guided class fact practice. Have someone correct it when you're done, and your lesson is finished.